Alright guys, what's up? Basically I'm making a new video for PSP right now. This is for Custom Firmware 6.39ME-9 users. You can also install this if you're running any custom firmware 6.39 prologue. This is not a signed custom firmware, so you will not be able to install this on a PSP that has 6.39 official firmware. You will have to go through the signed installers first in order to do this. So whether or not you sign update to 6.39ME, the first version, or all the way up to 6.39ME-9, this will work for you. This is 6.39ME-9.2. Basically, all this is it fixes a bug in the ISO module in the XMB. It also fixes the bug where you're apparently some point in time people were experiencing noises with their UMD drive making when they put it in sleep mode. When their UMD was in and they turned it off and put it in sleep while they were still in the game, because PSP is awesome and you have the capability of doing that. And then there was one more bug. Let me just pop this up real quick. Oh, the pboot authority. You can now load pboot if you need to. So, basically what I'm going to have you do is right here, you're going to download this file, the release 6.39ME-9.2, and open that up with an extraction program. If you don't have an extraction program like WinRAR or something, you can either get it, just simply go to cnet.org or .com or whatever and download it, or you can go to Google, search WinRAR. It's a great program for extracting. If not, all you're going to do is just right click on the file I've provided for download and just say extract files to your desktop. All Windows 7 and Windows Vista should have extraction programs. XP, not very much unless you're running a hacked edition of XP, then they'll probably come with one. But once you extract those files, you're going to see the release 6.39ME folder, and if you open that up, you're going to see the LEDA folder, translate, update, and readme text. And the JP one, that's Japanese, so ignore that. Anyways, so what you're going to do is take your PSP that's on 6.39 custom firmware and power that on. Did I put the memory stick in here? No, I did not. Where did it go? There it is. Doing a lot of work here and there, so everything is like rambled. Then simply just plug in your 2.0 USB cord to your PSP and it'll go into USB mode. Continue without scanning. I don't know why you do that, you piece of crap. And if you go to computer, you will see the removable disk K, which I believe that's it. Yep, that's it. Alright, so open up your removable drive for your PSP, and what you're going to do is open up the PSP folder and the game folder, and if you have an update folder in there, delete it. You're no longer going to need it. And go to your extracted files and drag and drop the update folder from there into the PSP game folder. Once that has been completed, go back to the PSP memory stick root where you see the CXMB, ISO, MP root, things like that. And if you haven't already, make an SE plugins folder, all in lowercase letters like this right here, SE plugins, and open that up. If you haven't already, good, open that up. Now what you're going to do is go to your extracted files and open up the LEDA folder, or LEDA, whatever you want to call it. And you're going to see the README text and a LEDA PRX. What you're going to do is drag and drop that LED PRX into the folder. I've already done that, but I'm just going to remove and replace that just for ha-has. I'd recommend you do that too if you've already done this with previous ME custom firmwares. So move those like that, and I believe it's the VSH text document. Nope, it's not. Okay, then it's game. So open up the game text. If you don't have a game text, right click and say new text document and call it game, all in lowercase letters or capital letters, it doesn't matter. And inside that you're going to write ms0:/se plugins/leda.prx space 1. Once you're done with that, exit that and save it. So let's recap. The LEDA PRX is in the SE plugins folder on the PSP memory stick root, and inside the SE plugins folder you're going to need a game text document, all in lowercase or uppercase, it doesn't matter. And inside it has to say ms0:/se plugins/leda.prx space 1. Just like that, how I have it right there. So, again, exit and save, and you can exit the PSP memory stick, exit the extraction files, and come back to the PSP. Exit USB mode, as you can hear me that I just did. And what you're going to simply do is go to the game section on the PSP memory stick, and if you have game categories, this is going to be underneath uncategorized. Do not put the update folder in a category or else it will not work properly. So just make sure it's underneath the uncategorized. Open that up and you're going to see PSP update version 6.39. What you're going to do there is you're simply just going to start it. So again, on the XMB, go to the game, go to the memory stick, open it up. If you have game categories, it'll be uncategorized. If not, don't worry about it. And you're going to see the 639 installer. It's going to be a blue screen. Open that up. Okay, on to the next step. Custom Firmware 6.39 installer for hackable PSP by Neuron. Again, before I go any farther, this is only for PSP 1000 models and 2000 hackable models. Do not use this on a 2000 version 2, 3000, or PSP Go. It will not work and you will brick your system. Well, it'll work, but you will brick your system. So just hit X to start. It'll say what it has fixed. It has fixed a bug in the SCTRL, which is the S-Control kernel set user level 1. Added a patch for LEDA, which allows you to use from EF0, which is your flash 0. And then fixed the bug with the ISO, and added the pboot execute option, and fixed the UMD driver noise. Hit X to start, and it's just going to flash the flash 0 like so. And when it's complete, it'll take 6 seconds to reboot. So just wait for it to done. Don't press any buttons or anything. Just wait for it to reboot on its own. Sony Computer Entertainment. You will see your boot logo when this reboots. Now, simply like that, if you go to your system settings, it'll let me, thank you, and go down to system information, and you will see 6.39ME-9.2 for your custom firmware. So that's how you install the new ME9-2 update. So stay tuned for more videos. Be sure to rate, comment, and subscribe on all my videos. Check them out. Pretty sure they'll help you out a lot. If you have any questions, send me a message, leave me a comment. I'll be happy to reply. I also answer questions personally. If you put them in my moderator, I will answer them for you with an episode of Your Questions Answered, which I will be making tonight, actually. Also, be sure to check out my website and blog. Those links will be in the video. At the top of the video, you will see the annotations for the website video and the blog video, and the links for those will be in those videos as well. Also, the links will be at the bottom of all my videos in case you can't find those videos, which I don't see why you would not, because that's why I put the annotations there. Oh my god. So yeah, thanks for all your support and everything, and I will see you guys later. Peace. I'm gonna go make some food and then make the Your Questions Answered episode 4.